This video we will learn how to animate alphabets in Scratch. So let's start. First, I will delete this cat because we do not need this here. We want alphabets. So I will go to choose sprite here, and then here we have different type of sprites like people, dance, music, food. We will go to letters, and we have different type of letters here. So this is block, glow, and third one story. So suppose I want to choose glow and I want to animate the word cat. First I will select the letter C. Letter C is here. Next again I will go to choose sprite, and I will select letters, and I will choose A for cat. I want CAT, cat. Now for T I will again go to letters and will choose T like this. So here I have completed a word cat. Now I want to animate this word cat. So what we will do? We have to make sure that different script for each letter. So first we will code for letter C. First we will code for letter C. I will select C. Now we can start coding for letter C. First I will go to events and choose when clicked. When clicked, you all know when clicked is when we will click on this green flag, this will start working or this will start animating. So when clicked, then I will go to control and will select forever. So it will keep on animating forever till we प्रेस ऑन दिस स्टॉप बटन. जब तक हम इस स्टॉप बटन को प्रेस नहीं करेंगे ये लूप हमारा फॉरएवर प्ले करता रहेगा. नेक्स्ट I have chosen this. Now I will go to motion and will select turn 15 degrees in forever loop. And what I want to do, I will change the color of C. So I will choose change color effect, looks. From looks I will choose change color effect by any number you can choose. Suppose I'll choose here 45. Change color effect by 45. Now let's see. Let's click on the green flag and see what happens. See how your C is, the alphabet C is animating. It is changing color and it is turning 15 degrees. If I'll press stop button, it will stop there like this. If I'll start again, it will start again rotating like this. Now next, if we want to animate A, we can also choose we can also add clear graphic effects after when clicked. So whenever we start, it always start from the new. So this stop and this. Now I want to animate the letter A. So what we will do, we will select A and we'll start scripting coding for letter A. Again I will go to events and will select when clicked. Then I will go to control and will select forever. Now for this, what I want to do, forever which we want to do something different. So we will go to looks, and from looks I will select this change color effect from here, but I will not change color in this. Here you can see and drop down arrow. We will click on it and we will choose mosaic from here. What is mosaic? Mosaic is small alphabets will together. मतलब A will be split into small different letters. So we will select mosaic effect by 25, or you can also change the number. Then after that we will go to control and will select weight from here कि एक बार mosaic effect apply हो जाए, then it will have to wait for, I mean, 0.3 seconds. Let's take 3 seconds. Then again I will go to looks and will choose again change color effect, but instead of color I will select mosaic here. How to select mosaic? Click on this arrow, click on this drop down arrow and select mosaic from here, and here I will, instead of 25 I will use minus 25, and then again to control and the your weight. Where is weight? Here. Wait for 0.3 seconds. Now let's see how it works. See, now this is not changing color. We want, if we want to change color also of A, we can also add change color effect. Change color effect by 25 or 35 or 40, whatever you want. Suppose we take here 35. Now let's see what happened. I will click on this green flag and now A is changing color also. So we have our script for C and A. Now what is left? T is left. Now we will stop it here and I will select T now and we will code for T now. For T also, first the same, when clicked, after that forever loop, and now how to animate T. Let's see. So first we will change its color, the color of T. We will go to looks, change color effect, then from motion I will select turn 15 degrees. First it will change its colors, then it will turn. After that we can apply a control of wait for 0.3 seconds, 0.3 seconds, and after that I will again go to motion and turn 15 degrees but anti-clockwise. First we have taken clockwise, now we have taken anti-clockwise. Now what we will do? We will change the size of this alphabet. What we will do? We will change the size of the alphabet. So we will go to this looks and we will select change size by from looks. I'm repeating, you will go to looks and select change size by. So we will change its size by, let's say, 20. After that we'll go to control, wait for 0.3 second, and again I will go to looks and change size by, first I have taken 20, now I will take minus 20. Now let's see what happened here. I will click on this green flag and see. Can you see the change in the size of the T? It is increasing, but it is increasing very little bit. We can increase it by more. I will stop it here and change size by, instead of 20, I will take 35 here and minus 35 here. Again we will click on the green flag and see. Now see, you can see the size of the T is increasing. You can increase it according to you. So let's say I'll take now 65 here and minus 65 here. So let's start again. See, now we have different animation for alphabet C, for A and for P. This is the way how you can animate alphabets. You can choose different options or different ways to animate your names. For this you have to animate your own name. So this is how you animate alphabets. So your work is you will animate your own names in by using different animations and effects.